Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to record audio or voice memo on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the voice memos app. Then locate and click on this record button. Then you should see your voice memo recordings. And once you are done recording, go ahead and click on it again. Mark you can exit the page while using the voice memo. And if you come to your control center, you should have access to the voice memo. So you can silently use this to record voice or audio in any conversation without anybody taking note of that. And once you are done, go ahead and swipe at the control center or click on the time dynamic island to open the voice memos. Now go ahead and stop it. And then you see the voice memos here. You can play it again. Then you see your voice. And you can click on the wave icon at the bottom left of the voice memo recorded to open up this waves form. Then click on the transcription button to show transcript of all the voice memo you have here. You see that? Then with this, you can also search for a particular word you want to find and replace. And if everything is fine, all you just need to do is go ahead and then save your voice memo. And then you are good. So that is exactly how to record audio or voice memos on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.